It's currently November 6, 4:41 a.m. and I am editing the documentary for the upcoming 50th anniversary of KFMC. Sa totoo lang, ngayon lang ako nagsimula halos, tapos yung documentary kailangan na siya matapos by Sunday, which is November 9. So I only have 3 days left to edit this, and keeping in mind that I have schoolwork and that the documentary is like 30 minutes long. So, kailangan ko talaga mag-lock in. What I have right now is, I'll show you. I finished the intro up until na-meet na yung person that will lead to the formation of KFMC. I also have Blackpink and other random videos beside me so that I can be awake. I'm going out right now para magpagupit. I did it. I got a haircut. There are the dogs. Where's that dog? I just woke up. It's like 5:30. Around 3 hours since I got my haircut. And now I'm going to continue editing the documentary. My goal right now is to just finish subtitles. And then once I finish subtitles, I think I'll be able to cut down the content of the docu. Let's do this. I finished the subtitles nung kay Pastor Manny. I'm gonna have to validate it with the script na ibibigay nila. Nag-drive ako papunta kina Ate Hai. And now in their neighborhood, I'm in the back seat trying to fix everything para isahang punta na lang ako sa bahay nila. And I have a shawl here. And I have a blurry camera. I have another shawl. Hi guys! May tungkod si Kuya RJ para sa presentation nila. Yes, it's now 4:45. Papunta kaming APNTS in a bit. Kukunin lang namin yung mga gamit. Tapos may re-record kami. Sino ka ba? Hindi, sino ka sa ano? Sino ka sa... Sinowa ka? Sinowa ka? May tungkod ba Sinowa? Sabi niya feeling ko meron. Baka feeling ko rin meron. Baka. Ano yung pinaka-popular talaga si Moses? Ganon ka sa Eastwood mamaya ha? Okay. Yung last na Eastwood? Yes. Ayan na, go! Okay. We have arrived. We are now in the Airbnb. Diyan si Kuya RJ. Diyan si Clark. Naka-uniform pa siya. Tinatawagan ako ni Zoe. Uy Zoe, crack na nga pala yung ano mo.
Yes, it is. You can see that.
We are on the way to 7-Eleven or kung saan man. Save More. Para, yes, bibili kami ng ice.
They're here in Rizal, y'all.
Yes.
We're in Cainta.
So fun. Parang bahay ko lang.
Ito yung McDo na lagi namin kinakainan kasi malapit sa school. I've had a few breakdowns in this. Dito kami kumain after namin masabihan ng magre-defense kayo.
Oh, that's so sad. Grabe. So scary.
Metal fabricator. Oh my god.
I don't know what he's talking about. Wait, I'll show you the surroundings. Sa Green Hills na pala tayo. Hindi yan yung Green Hills. Gusto naman kayo guys sa Rizal. So, andito kami sa meat section to find ice.
Kanina, nung kumuha, kasi ako nagbayad sa grocery. Nahulog yung coin. Tapos, like 2.25 centavos. Malapit sa akin. I think Kuya JJ is just so used to being
Yeah.
Na siya pa yung
Kumuha. Ay.
Picture of the duration ng grocery shopping namin. Pagbaba ko sa alam mo yung bumaba lang ako for the sake na makababa ako. Tapos nahulog ko sa nabag ko na nasa harap ko lang talaga. No! Ayun tuloy. Hindi mo pa ganun pa.
Like the eagles. Young eagles.
Like the Love the effort. Pumuli talaga to, right?
Yes. Hindi natin sure kung malinis yan up to Ate High standards. But
Ate High has really high standards. But
for water.
It's a good standard, honestly.
Grabe yung sipag.
Kung ma-judge ako, yung pinapaano ko sa andok. Maka-cancel ako dyan siya. Yung pang... Paano yan? Walang budget.
Life update. We're gonna eat. What I've done so far is nagka-caption ako for the docu. Si Clark nag-i-edit ng kung ano-ano pictures for the presentation. Yun si Clark. Yan siya.
What I've discovered right now is kind of diabolical.
What? Yes, indeed. And big discovery. Kakain ka na.
Chef school. Chef
Grabe.
school. Culinary school. Chef school.
Yes, ito ang bag namin. Ito sa kanila, grabe.
I love how the rice
Bro,
is
yung...
like...
May ipapaplansa ka.
Say hello.
Hello. Sa LTM, guys.
Gusto niya mawala ng apegi?
Like, ano lang. Tingin ko sa kon tapos ano ka lang. I thank God for.
We're now finalizing
I
everything.
thank God for. Ganon. Na ano.
Man, yung isa makakatulog na, yung ito, yung documentary parang hindi pa matatapos. Cooked. Guys, I'm holding eggs and we are now on the way.
Let's continue to pray.
We are at the tech booth. Actually, nasa APNTS na kami. We are now preparing for the youth presentation. Say hi to my vlog, Ate Liza! Hi guys! Ayan, mga walang tulog. Next time, anong gagawin?
Tawagin mo sila. Doon ka sa taas.
Asan na si Clark? Asan na si Clark? Kasama ko si Clark, diba?
Isa lang, isa na lang.
Ay, isa na lang.
Isang screen na lang yun.
Wow! Ang ganda naman ng suot mo.
Tao
Sa?
sa harap. May walang nakita. For response.
We're not. Sila na.
I just want to
Sino yung naka-brown?
share a little testimony that before Kamuning first remember
Kabahan ka na. Ha? Kabahan ka na bata yung nagda-drums. It's time to retire.
Ako. Ready to sleep. Pero may gagawin pa ako mamaya. Matulog ba muna ako?
Yes!